Hi, I'm Lewis Sauer, PGA professional and owner of Lewis Sauer Golf in Northbrook, Illinois. One of the nice things of having the power plate in our studio is, one, is just getting the body ready to move. And the biggest thing that golfers lack is the understanding of how to coordinate their movements. And so when they stand on the power plate, it creates an unstable environment. And so they have to learn how to engage their muscles to actually move. And so when they're working on those stable positions, they're increasing their flexibility, and then they're also gaining some strength when they're just standing and holding things, because their body has to be turned on and engaged as they're moving. Two things that people don't do is they don't know where their body's moving, and they don't know how to activate their muscles while they're moving. And that's really how we use the power plate, is we help the golfer create certain exercises that isolate certain areas of their body so that they're creating some stability, some mobility, and some strength throughout the movement in the golf swing. So you're working really hard on your game. Here's one thing that you can put into your repertoire of getting better. It's working with the power plate. It's going to help you pre-round, get your body prepared to move, and then post-round it's going to help you with your recovery. It's really a great device for getting your body to improve its stability, mobility, and strength so that you can play better golf.